unlocking this. Check that out. What is up, Rad F30 family? Brian Alvarez here with an exciting video. Today we are going to be installing the MST inlet and intake for my N20. Brian and the guys over at Keys Motorsports, thank you so much for this sponsorship. Guys, look, if you need any parts regarding your BMW, your N20, your F30, any BMW parts, go to Keys Motorsports. They have what you need. Go check them out. Brian and Keys Motorsports, thank you so much for this partnership. I really appreciate it. And let's get to the install. Okay, so I'm basically following Keys Motorsports DIY video. You can find it up here. And I'm basically following along with it. There's no point of doing another video because they do a really good job at it. So you can follow them. I'll give you some pointers of what I'm doing. Let's see what happens. First, I want to remove a hose here. And then the mass airflow sensor, which is held by two T20s. So we're gonna grab the T20 and just remove it. All right, this is it. We're gonna put it somewhere nice and safe. A clamp from the hose with the flathead screwdriver. All right, so all we have left are these grommets that you see here. And now with everything else disconnected, we're gonna just pull those out. Grommets, and we just popped it up, and there you go. Intake is off. This is not so complicated to take out. Inlet out. Oh, there it is, guys. Holy moly. Look at the difference in this. Okay. Got the inlet in. I'm gonna show you on my phone. Look at that. Nicely fit. Oh yeah. Let's get that nut in there. Installed. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right. Woo. All right, already got everything plugged in. Now it's time for this filter. And let's plug it in. Coffee break. Okay, so everything is installed. Let's turn it on and make sure everything works. All right, so the intake and the inlet are both installed already. It's a hot day today, so sorry if I'm sweating. I am going to do some drive-bys now that you have it before. I'm gonna be recording it on my Tascam, what I use for professional filmmaking. I am going to record some clean audio so you can hear exactly how the intake and the inlet make a difference. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is how extra I am for you guys. I have my Rode Video Micro recording audio there and my Tascam recording audio. Right, so I'm in my car. I just started it. I'm letting it warmed up and I'm here with the pup. Eco Pro. Comfort. First test, Eco Pro. Let's do it. I heard it a little bit. I'm not sure if you did or if you could hear it on my phone. Now we're going to do standard. Ooh, I hear more on standard. Sounds really nice, actually. Now for sport mode. Wow, it's a lot louder. Thank you all for watching this video. I am grateful that you took the time to watch this. If it brought you some value, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe. A lot of you have asked me questions about my J-pipe on my F30. It's a big hot topic that people are wondering how I did it, how I removed the drone from my cutout muffler and resonator. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs on this channel. If you can help me get there, I promise I will do a video that highlights a review of with the J-pipe on, without the resonator, without the muffler, before and after sounds, a full debrief video on how that works. For that to happen, I have to go to the muffler shop, spend a few hours, cut the pipes several times, install them, drive it, record it. It's a whole process. So if you guys can help me out by helping me get to 1,000 subs, that would be amazing, and I promise I will get that video out to you. Thanks again, subscribe, and I'll catch you soon.